Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to enter referral code on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Temu application, and then once you have opened up, just log into your account. So make sure you're logged in. So once you've already logged in, so now what you're going to do, if you have a referral code and you want to enter it, so where do you do that? So I will show you that. So click on underneath, you have your U tab here below your app. So it will be a tab called U. So click on U, and then here you will see an option called coupons and offers. So that's where you go. So click on coupons and offers. So when you get to here on your coupons and offers, okay, so here you have a space here where it says enter coupon code. So that's where you enter the referral codes. All right, so what you're going to do here, you're going to like tap in and then type in the enter the code that you have got, and then once you have typed in and hit on the apply button to redeem that code or to use that code, whatever to redeem the reward whatever associated with it. So this is where you actually enter the referral code. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.